Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. As you can tell, I am sick from a upper respiratory infection. Today has been very interesting because I had scheduled my girls to go to the dentist this morning, and this sickness basically got extremely bad around 8 p.m. last night, and my husband decided to stay home and help me out with the dentist appointment and everything because of me not feeling great. But I wanted to film this because my house is a wreck, and I know there's tons of moms out there who can relate in when they get sick. It's like the worst thing that could happen. But I wanted to make this video and do a little clean with me because I do feel a little bit better. I went to the CVS Minute Clinic before the dentist appointment. So even though I was so sick, I've had a very busy morning. But I did that and was diagnosed with the upper respiratory infection and got to, buy some medicines that I needed. I had a few at home already, but had to get that. And after taking that, I feel slightly better. My voice is back. I wasn't able to talk. I've been coughing and runny nose and the whole bit. So if you're in the same boat as me and are feeling kind of under the weather, but you're mom and you've got to clean the house and you've got to do laundry and everything like that, just keep watching this video and I hope it gives you some motivation because I feel a little bit better and I've already taken a nap when the kids were napping. I figured this would kind of like boost my spirits and get me a little bit like joy in the day that I actually accomplished some of my mommy tasks. If you're new, my name is Sarah. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that red subscribe button and don't miss another video from me. I try to do about 2 videos a week, so I'm gonna get this video out for you guys. So anyway, just stay tuned if you want some good cleaning motivation. I'm also probably not going to do any voiceovers, but I will leave inspirational quotes and verses below the screen so that it kind of gives you some motivation for your attitude today. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy this cleaning video. I'm all finished for what I wanted to accomplish today. I started feeling headachy, so I'm gonna stop. But I wanted this video to go up because I know a lot of moms, even though they're not wanting to, they do get sick with their kids, and it is the most horrible thing in the mom world is to be sick when your kids are sick, because they need you so much and you have so many things to do, and on top of everything else you have to rest. So first, rest, take your medicines, drink lots of water, but also do a little something to kind of get your motivation going. So make sure you do something today just to kind of boost your spirits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!